Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Hi everyone. I hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah always. Guys, this video I would like to share with you is about drum test. Okay. Uh, Guys, you know me. I'm doing so many tricks in my channel actually, and of course I would like to say thank you to you are supporting me and watching my video and following me. Thank you so much. But my message is to students. When you are going to drum test, okay, and maybe sometime we cannot make it, you fail the exam. That's make me sad. I know if anyone comment and said, "Oh, I cannot make it, I failed my exam." Of course, I don't like also. But guys, I would like to say for you, when you are going with any instructor, okay, you try to follow his tricks. Don't follow Ahmed tricks, okay? Because maybe he will give you better tricks from. So just follow his trick. If it's working with you, okay, that's good. If it's not working with you, you can ask him if you want to use my trick. You can ask your instructor, can I use other trick? If you accept it, that's fine. Okay. If you not accept it, you said no. You should follow my tricks. You have to follow your tricks. Otherwise, you are, maybe you cannot make it. So I'm not say don't use my trick. Yeah, you can. Of course, I'm trying my best to uh, keep some videos, different tricks, uh, but I'm not forcing you to use my trick. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm giving tricks. Maybe I'm wrong. So already there's a stickers. They already have experience for these things. I'm sure they will give you a good tricks. So yeah, before you use my tricks, you ask your instructor because maybe he will say, "Who give you this trick?" Maybe you are going for your exam, and then you cannot pass your exam, and you said, "Because I'm using Ahmed trick." He said, "Yeah, because you are using Ahmed trick, that's why you fail your exam." So I don't like these things. Maybe that your instructor he will meet me. He said, "Because of you're giving the tricks to my student, they are not pass the exam." I don't like this. Really. I'm trying to help only. So yeah, before you are going for your drum test, uh, if the your instructor, giving you tricks, don't change with other tricks. Just follow his trick. I'm sure it work. Yeah, of course, because these people they already have experience for yeah, and they know what to do. Okay, and yeah, thank you, and good luck to all the students. Inshallah, they pass the exam. Thank you so much.